double spinning back fist. I want to do something to mask that pivot. Whether it's I miss a hook, okay, I'm jabbing, and I pivot, or I step. Here, turning, back facing, hammer fist, or back fist. This is the difference. Hammer fist, back fist. You'll notice with the hammer fist, sometimes you can hit with the side of your hand or even your elbow or the side of your arm. I'm here. The moment this lands or my opponent blocks it, I'm immediately switching my hips back. When I'm here again, masking, turning, here, here. Now, if I miss the technique, if I miss both of them, stay protected. I'm here, here, right back to my stance. With any technique, especially spinning techniques, you have to be able to know that if you miss it, you're back to your stance immediately. Here we are. Okay. Pivoting. I'm here. All right. Staying protected. Notice how my shoulders protecting my face. All right. Back here. Moving around. It's the switch of the hips. All right. The switch of the hips. I'm torquing my whole body at the same time. Here we are. We're in range. Miss a hook. Back fist. Hammer fist. Whatever you prefer. Immediately switching my hips. Here we are. Pivoting. Hammer fist. Hammer fist. When I end, if I miss, I don't want to make this big motion. I'm here. Immediately back to my stance, staying covered, staying protected.